I am Abhishek Kumar, an engineer from Samco Infratech Private Limited. Now I am here going to introduce a machine which is UL battery test system. The rating capacity of this machine is 12.5 kilowatt, and this machine having 100 volt, 100 ampere charging and 100 ampere discharging capacity. This is having some features like this is the on and off button for the starting of this machine, and this mushroom button is for emergency switch, and these are the indicators. This is the power indicator, this is the run and stop indicator, and this is for the error. When error comes, this indication will blown out. And this is the computer screen for the software interface, and this is the main CPU of this battery test system. And this is IR tester and internal resistance tester, and this is the electrical safety device. So I am now opening the software for this machine and going to introduce how to work on this machine. This is the software interface for this BCT tester, and now I am going to open this. Now I am putting the password. This is the whole interface for the machine testing. These are the schemes from this section, parameter section. We are going to add parameter section. Now clicking on this. These are the schemes. These are 22 schemes which we need to test. So I am adding some important schemes which we are testing in our factory. So these are the 15 schemes which we already have tested. So this is OCB and charge activate. Want to create a new scheme, you have to click on this create scheme section. From here you need to create a new scheme from here by placing some scheme name, and you need to select your battery type, what battery type you are using. These are 4 battery types here, so you can use anyone from this menu. And this is the battery number, how much batteries how much cells are connected in your battery. So you need to add up from there how many cells are there in your battery. And this is for the continuous test when NG is coming, it goes continue. You need to save and exit the system. You already added those schemes which you need to test, and you need to press this start test button. So this is going to test your all parameters which you already have set it in your schemes. So this is for the testing section, and this is for your data summary. What you have tested before, your data is coming in this section, which is data summary, and this is your database. All the data have been coming in this database, and these are some settings which you need to change according to your parameters and according to your testing. So this is the overall. Want to import some data in the Excel, so you need to click on this tested data and give us a path. Give this to a path and save in any of the drive which you want to save. If you want to know more about our machines, you need to visit our website, which is www.samcoinfratech.com. You can visit our office, which is at 18/28 Saibabad Industrial Area, Site 4, Ghaziabad.